of gardening.
Now, this is how we would advise if you're going to shut down your garden for the year. Obviously, you would plant garlic in the fall, and it would be in the garden until spring. So you're not technically shutting the garden down, but you're putting a lot of it to, walking away from it, going on vacation, so to speak.
All right, let's get into it.
All right.
So one is you want to remove diseased plants and weeds. So if you have late blight on your tomatoes, bean rust on your beans,
powdery mildew,
you're going to take those plants, the diseased ones, and put them in the trash. You want to put them in plastic bags, preferably in the trash.
Yeah, exactly, because there's some cities that will check the trash to make sure that you don't have plant debris in the trash, so you conceal it.
Yeah, exactly. You don't want to put that in your compost. You don't want to put it in your burn pile. You want to just get rid of it in the trash. And the reason for that is because you might think, well, I'm going to burn it. That's going to get rid of it. No, it can. A lot of the spores can be traveled through the air, and that could cause problems.
How did it get to you? Through spores in the air, especially the bean rust.
And then as far as putting in your own compost, it may not get hot enough. And then if it goes in the city's compost,
it'll get too hot. Yeah.